Hi everyone, I'm performing a front climb for you right now. So this is what we're going to be looking at in today's tutorial. As you can see, I haven't got a lot of pole height, but if you have, then feel free to use it. So what we're going to do to start is stand just in front of your pole, and you're going to take your left leg onto the pole, lift your knee as high as you can get it, and the pole's going to rest along the inside of the shin and the outside of the foot. So you're going to then put your hands onto the pole, and what you want to really think about when you're positioning your hands is that you want to keep your arms long. So you're not trying to do a pull-up, you want to take some weight into your legs. So you're going to lift the other foot off the floor, knees are hugging the sides of the pole, and now your right foot is in front, your left foot is behind. So when you feel comfortable in that position with long arms, that's when you can begin to pull through the arms. So some weight will be in the legs, and the rest of the weight will be in the arms, in the upper body. And again, if you haven't got much pole height, you can use this as a conditioning. So it's like a pole squat, we'll call it. And then once you're comfortable with that, you can reach up higher. So you'd go hand, hand. So I'm playing this in slow motion so you can really see. And then you lift through the knees. And what's going to happen is that your knees will shift in position in relation to the pole. So what you have to do is push your left foot, the foot that's behind, into the pole. And then that will reposition your bum back into that squat-like position, and then you can continue pulling up from there. And then as you pull up the second time round, or however many repetitions you're doing, you can just slightly open the knees to find the pole between the thighs. One foot stays behind, one foot stays in front, and you're squeezing the pole with your legs to take the hands off. So this is called a standing crucifix. And safely put the hands back on and slide down whenever you're ready. And one more time at normal speed just to show you. Make sure you try both sides. So I'm now doing this on the opposite leg. So you pull, hand, hand, lift the legs into your standing crucifix position and slide down and finish.